Good morning, guys. How are you? Happy, what it is today? Happy Thursday. Hola, hola. Welcome back. Let's see what the market is doing today. What a rally. We got to new all-time highs in how many days? 4 days? 3 days? This is crazy. ¿3 días? It is insane. Yeah, we have these big resistance here. Well, it looks like we got two new all-time highs on SPY and QQQ, not on NQ. We have these highs here on NQ. So I guess we can find these levels on the Q pre-market or after-market price action. Oh no. Yes, we did break. What's going on? Let me see something. Okay. Yes, it is all-time highs. It is right, or is it's something weird with my chart? It's like that. You sold calls on hymns for 50%. Nice. I bought a bunch of hymns shares when everything was down. I was watching a video from this guy. I always told you guys that I didn't like hymns, right? For a long-term play. But now, because how popular the peptiles are, and I think they're gonna be huge, even bigger in the future, I do like hymns a lot. I do think it's now with what's going on with the health market and peptiles, I do think hymns can be huge. And also that you guys saw the news about the guy that made like $1 billion with just him and his brother using AI selling peptides. It is insane what's going on right now with AI and how people are using peptides. I think that market it's gonna be huge. Good morning. Is this chart right or is like this? Like I'm a little bit confused. Is it like this? Like with all-time highs here? Okay, this is option 1 and this is option 2. Yeah. So I think it's like this. Yep. Okay, let's see if this pullback NQ can hold previous all-time highs. We are right at previous all-time high, yesterday highs here on ES. Yesterday's highs on ES is a level to watch, and then previous all-time highs. I do think the market needs a little pullback. Like, this is insane. This move is insane. And look how choppy it was. I just hope we don't have the price action that we had here. Remember how ugly it was to trade here? Like, we make new all-time highs and then pull back and then start to be very, very choppy and very fakey at all-time highs. I just hope we don't have like a couple of weeks like that. This was at the end of last year and the beginning of this year. I remember it was very tricky trading on at the highs. I just hope it's not gonna be like that again. Hopefully it's not gonna be like that again. Thank you, V. Yeah, that's the thing with trading. Like, learning how to read charts, like learning price action, how to read price action is not that hard after a little bit of practice. The thing about trading is, one, obviously understand, well, it's give me 1 second. What's going on here? Okay, yeah. So, yeah, one is being in different markets also makes us understand that the market is not just gonna go higher every single day. Like, I think a lot of people that started trading when COVID hit, it got used to it, to the market just going higher and higher pretty much every single day. So an easy bullish market is very different from the market that we have last month. Right? And a clear trendy market is not difficult to trade at all. No, price action, sideways price action market, it is. And it's gonna be even more difficult if you haven't been trading for a few years, because you don't understand what is that the market is not just gonna move higher every single day just because. And also keeping in mind that just knowing when it's time to be a little bit more, put a little bit more risk into our trades, like I did yesterday, and then when cooling it off and understand when the market is not for that. Like, it's very different trading in EC bullish market like the past few days, you just literally buy with a bigger size and then you make money. And then when you have a side choppy price action, you just gotta be really careful with the size that you're using for your trades, because it's very easy to get fake outs. Tradeify is still 40% off, and APEC is 90% off right now. Okay, watching here. Thank you. Let's see if can hold the yesterday highs or not. I do think we need a pullback. I will definitely feel more comfortable if we get a pullback. More comfortable to play the upside continuation. I like this break here. Oh, okay. Do we have data today? Let me see. Today Thursday. No, the data was pre-market. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I would like to see something like this. Reaction here. Same thing here. So, like this. Profit taken? Yeah, I think that if you're holding anything to the upside and you hit all-time highs, it's smart to take profits. Yeah, that's a big reaction. Whoa, okay. Did we get news or something? What's going on? That's a huge candle. Big one. Oh, that was news, yes. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, something like that must have happened because that is a big one. I was expecting pullbacks here at all-time highs, but this is on another level. Okay. Let's see, what's the next big level that I have here on NQ? It's this. Can we have a bounce here so we can play a reaction here? At yesterday's highs. Oh yeah, like the video, guys. Like, subscribe. Okay, looks like we might get that bounce that I want to see. Bounce and reaction here. Maybe? Please? Pretty please? Am I doing my mentorship? Yes, I'm still in it. Yeah, I'm still doing it. Any mentorship questions, send me a DM on Discord. Can we get a push here? I would love to see that. I want to see a push here and retest of these lows here. Come on, give it to me. Do it. Not reply. Can you send me another one? Sorry. Send me another DM. I might miss it. Okay. Go for it. Enki looks like he wants to push here. We're looking for sellers, yeah. But I don't know if we're gonna get it. It's still, excuse me, the market still looks a little bit weak. NQ looks like it wants to, yet it's having a little bit more trouble. So I think NQ looks a little bit stronger than ES. Let me see what's the 50% retracement here. Okay. I'm patiently waiting here. It looks like we're gonna get it. And then, so I'm waiting for these bounds, and then I'm gonna see how we're gonna react to, this is yesterday's highs, pre-market low on both ES and NQ. Just pick one. Both are looking pretty much the same. I will say ES looks a little bit weaker than NQ. But what a candle here. Let's see if we're gonna reject here or we're gonna go a little bit higher. Okay. I'm gonna start buying some here. Okay. So far, it's looking like a good plan. I took it with ES because, like I said before, I think ES looks a little bit weaker than NQ. I didn't say buys. I never said buys. Did I say buys? No, I never said buys. I mean, you guys have it on the screen. I don't know what else you want me to tell you. I said a bunch of times that I'm looking for rejections. And you literally have it here. What's the plan? Yeah, we do have SPY right at the VWAP. The Q, it looks like it wants to hold the VWAP. SPY is rejecting it. So, this is it. If my idea here is, let's see, this is my this highs is gonna be my stop loss, and let's see if we can have a bigger pullback here. Now, this market, it's been so crazy bullish that it's scary to play shorts. That's why I'm not trading minis like yesterday. I understand that I'm going against the overall trend. Let's change things around here. So far, I like these reaction candles. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful reaction there. Yep, I like this. I definitely like this. So far, the reaction looks very, very clean. Yep. Yes. Perfect. Clean, clean reaction. Now, can we get a new low today? I'm looking for this area here of support from yesterday. That can be all this. Yeah. Yeah, this reaction is perfect. Okay. Should I take some profits here? Ooh, that was a strong bounce there. Let's see. Now we want to see ES losing these lows. ADR, don't you get denied for payout of irregular spikes and losses? As long as you follow the rules, you don't get denied. And if you're using Apex, you can see on the web on your account if you can apply for payments or not. So if you cannot apply for payments, it's gonna tell you what rules you're breaking. Same thing on Tradeify. Like you can see, you enter in your account and you see your dashboard and you'll see if you are eligible to apply for payments. Okay. Yeah, we want to see ES breaking these lows, making a new low today. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna take some profits here because why not? Just in case the market decides to hold these lows. I'm gonna look a little bit more here. Yeah, we can see how we're fighting here. Come on, just lose that level already. Yeah, the 30-minute still looks bearish. The daily is looking pretty ugly. Okay, so I locked some profits. I moved my stop loss a little bit under my entry in case we have like a huge spike here. And let's see if we're gonna have the move that I'm looking for. We definitely have a little bit of support here. We can see how in this 30-minute time frame we have a little bit of support right where we are here at today's lows. But I don't see why we shouldn't go a little bit lower. Also, this 30-minute candle, if it closes like that, it's an indecision candle, so we can go either way. But as long as we keep reacting pre-market low and yesterday's highs, it's more bearish than bullish for today. Yeah, it's not easy to hold this type of trade, especially like I said before, after watching the market going to new all-time highs in like 3 days. I might be overstaying in this trade because the overall trend in the market is so crazy bullish that this might be just a pullback, but scalping pullback, maybe. How much you risking, your risk percentage, and how many points to stop loss in general. I don't have an answer for that because my risk is depending on how the market depends on the price action. So today I only bought 5 micros to play this reaction. Yesterday I bought 4 micros and 1 mini because it was a clear bullish move continuation yesterday, and today I'm playing against the overall trend. So I know that I should be cautious with playing reactions in this crazy bullish market. So that's gonna depend on the price action. How much risk I want to put in a trade, that's gonna depend on the price action. And how many points stop loss in general, I don't have that. I don't think about that. My stop loss is levels. Like, this is a perfect example of one, understanding price action. I'm trading against the overall trend, so I know I should be a little bit more cautious than yesterday, because yesterday I traded with the overall trend. I made a bullish trade, right? Today I'm playing shorts again on a very bullish market. So that's why I'm trading with way smaller size than yesterday. Another thing, I'm playing a reaction here. Look at this candlestick. Let me see if I can take out this so you guys can see. What is that candlestick? This long wick at the top. If you guys watch my video where I explain you guys how to trade, how to read candlesticks, you should know that this is my favorite pattern to play. This pattern here. Just go watch the video where I explain you guys how to read candlesticks. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. A lot of people don't watch those type of video because it's basic TA, but sometimes we miss the basics or we forget the basics. Yeah, it's this video. Candlestick explained. I explain you guys there exactly how I trade using these candlesticks. In fact, those candlesticks are my favorite patterns to play. It's this video here. Candlestick videos, video. I explain you guys there. Pretty much everything that you need. How to use candlestick patterns or those type of candlesticks. Really understanding how to read candlesticks. Very basic, simple, technical analysis. but extremely important. Here's the candlestick video. Trading is very, very simple. We overcomplicate it with overthinking, but it's very, very simple. Like the video, guys. Help me with that. Yeah, I think entering a trade with the right sides is extremely important, because that way you can really manage your emotions if the trade goes against you. Like here, right? The market is moving against me and I'm seeing my P&L go lower. One thing that I recommend you guys is not having your P&L on your screen. Like, if it wasn't because I'm doing this the stream, I wouldn't had these here on my screen. I would not be watching my P&L. I'll be watching only the chart. Mm. they scare you on purpose with PNL? Who's they? It's only you against you. If you really think about it, is I know it's me when I'm excuse me, when I'm doing something stupid. It's me, not they. It's me. It's like Taylor Swift. It's me. I'm the problem. It's me. Have that song on the background when you're doing something stupid and you blowing up accounts. Can the market just move lower already? Come on. Just give me new lows for today. Just do it already. I know you want it. The market is not designed to scare you. The market is designed to make money. That's it. Okay, looks like we're having good war news that might make the market go higher. QQQ is holding the view up. I don't like that. You know what? I'm taking my profits. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out of here. I'm done. I really like these for more downside, but I don't like how we're holding here. We are getting good war news, so these can definitely mess up the downside that I'm looking for. So yeah, little good play here. Really nice reading of the market. So yeah, I made these are 5 TradeOfI accounts. I also took this trade with Apex, 20 accounts here. Pretty much the same trade, but I took it with NQ. I do think as long as we see the market keep it under yesterday's highs, I think it's bearish. I also think this little 30-minute rejection here, it's another one that we can watch. If it cannot hold that as support, it looks like it's gonna break it. Yeah, we're getting like positive war news, so I do think the market is gonna rally. So yeah, very nice day for me. Very nice week so far. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's the other thing. Like, we're having news, war news, so definitely can mess up your trade. This is a news-driven market. But I'm happy with my week. I took the same trade with NQ, with 1 minute here on these accounts, and with micro on ES with these accounts. So pretty much the same trade, one with NQ and another one with ES, but it's exactly the same trade. Yeah, look at NQ. NQ, I told you guys, is definitely stronger than ES today. So look how NQ is already holding previous day's highs at support and pre-market low as support. So yeah. What was the news? Let me see. A possible ceasefire on Lebanon. So yeah, really nice week so far. Today is Thursday, but because I skipped Monday this week, I'll be here tomorrow, which I'm never here on Friday. On Fridays, I think tomorrow is OPEX, which is no bueno. OPEX, and at all time we have OPEX tomorrow, and we are at all-time highs. Both things are most likely choppy price action. So, but yeah, I'll be here tomorrow, mañana. We have 40% off on Tradeify and 90% off on Apex also. Use Apex ADR for that discount and ADR on Tradeify if you want to support the stream. Love you guys. I'll see you again mañana. Bye.